Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, dry. Ram did not dry her clothes. Second, come. Rahul is not coming. Agra. 3. Clean. Reena does not clean her room. Fourth, save. They save their money every day. Fifth, accept. They will not be accepting their mistake. Sixth, fly. The birds are flying in the sky. Seventh, pluck. The children pluck the flowers. Eighth, face. They face many problems. Ninth, water. The gardener does not water the tree. 10th, break. I am not breaking a chair. 11, read. I am reading Gita. 12, learn. I learn my lesson. 13, teach. They do not teach Hindi. 14, beat. The teacher does not beat the students. 15, prepare. Reena does not prepare the tea. 16th, cook. They cook the food daily. 17, punish. I punish him every day. 18, help. They help the poor. 19, earn. We earn money daily. 20. Drink. They did not drink alcohol. Thanks for watching.